quit playing games.
Your skill hasn't dulled at all.
Your task can wait no longer. Eliminate the turtles. Wait. Have you found that which you seek?
No. But for some reason, when I see those turtles, I feel as though I could almost recall what I've lost. But that's wishful thinking. Until we meet again.
Without memory must be difficult.
Hey, can't we head back yet? This fresh sewer scent is really starting to wear thin.
We're not far. The localized electromagnetic anomaly is right around here. Something's getting ready to happen, and it's not gonna be good.
I bet it's the foot again. Sounds like the work of Leo's lady friend, Karai.
We can't be sure of that, Raph. Karai is working to bring order to New York. I want to trust her.
Yeah, but can we afford to? In the end, you know she's with the foot.
What's that alarm set for? We just had lunch, and I had my afternoon snack. It's a bit early for dinner.
Before Stockman took that fall, he should have given your head a tune-up so you could think about things other than food.
This is it! I'm getting strange readings from an electromagnetic field inside this hole.
Let's get going then. Be careful. There's no telling what could happen.
Hello? Anybody home?
Where are we?
I'll give you a good taste of my staff.
Yeah! Yeah!
Chill dash! Huh!
Forward! The goal just ahead!
Whoa! Huh!
Whoa, can't afford to fall from here.
Thirsty.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Huh!
Yeah! Yeah!
Leave the fighting to me.
couldn't start without me.
You saying I'm just an intellectual turtle? I've got more than just smarts.
I'm slipping! I'm slipping!
Better proceed with caution.
I thought I'd never get a piece of the action.
I battle for justice and honor, and to protect my family.
Don't you know not to play with fire? Don't you know not to play with fire?
I'm the only chance you've got. What? Success already? That was too easy!
What the heck happened?
We just gotta keep moving, right? Piece of cake!
I'm an ace with throwing stars, too. Now there's nothing to fear.
the hero on the scene! That hit the spot. I feel a bit better already. Thought I couldn't handle a throwing star? You wish.
Take a ride on this beat.
Man, am I thirsty! Don't you know not to play with fire? This looks valuable. Let's take it to April. Don't you know not to play with fire? Don't you know not to play with fire? I found my groove! Fire blasts! Fire blasts!
Just as I calculated.
Yeah! Yeah! I just had the craziest thought. Can you guess what it is?
10 to 1 it relates to food.
Seriously, at a time like this, even I wouldn't... But my stomach has a mind of its own. Listen up, dummy. This isn't the time.
Unless my eyes are deceiving me, I'd say we're in New York. What the heck happened here?
Welcome, Turtles. Long time no see.
Slasher!
I don't need all of you to tell me my own name. More importantly, tell me what you think of this planet.
What we think? It's a wasteland. If you know what happened here, clue us in.
Hold on, Raph. My guess is that this is New York, just not the New York we know. Probably an alternative reality New York. Am I right?
A clever attempt, but you're off. It's your New York. It's just not New York at the time you knew it. I went to the trouble of bringing you all here so I could show you this future world.
This is the New York of the future? No way! What happened?
A battle. Meaningless battles such as this have existed from the distant past and last far into the future. The world you see here is one potential future should things continue as they are.
But you're a mercenary, right? If you hate war so much, you sure picked the wrong job.
You think I became a mercenary for the love of war? Only by pitting one's pure strength against another's do true champions arise. I seek such a champion. Yes, one like Master Hamato Yoshi.
How do you know Master Yoshi?
Save that question for later. To begin, you all must show me your true strength. If you cannot defeat me here, you'll never return to the world you knew.
Come at me with all your strength!
Don't you know not to play with fire?
So your training is finally paying off!
A weak attack like that won't do a thing! Man, you're right thirsty!
Let's show them what real ninjas are made of! take it to April.
See what you think of this move!
Turtle Slash!
So, I'm beaten once again by Hamato Yoshi.
No, the four of us were only able to beat you by combining our strength. I'd like to know one thing. How did you and Master Yoshi...
I once had the opportunity to face Hamato Yoshi in a match.
Now it makes sense. But we never studied directly under Master Yoshi. Our master's name is Splinter.
He's a rat, but seriously skilled. I'd guess he's about the most skillful ninja in the universe.
Splinter? A rat? Ah, you must mean that pet of Yoshi's that he loved so much. Quite small for a master, though. How is Hamato Yoshi these days?
The great Master Yoshi perished after falling into a cruel and cowardly trap set by an evil one called Shredder.
What? The Shredder? That fiend never spoke a word of this.
Hey, did Raph get a kick in under the belt or something?
It's all coming back. How can this be? Shredder! He played me like a pipe.
You mean you know the Shredder? And what is it that you remembered?
Shredder is an old acquaintance and my current employer. Once, long ago, I sustained mortal wounds. From that day, inexplicably, I gained the ability to move freely through space and time. But this came at the cost of my previous memory. But now, I remember it all. His true identity was that of a ruthless criminal in my hometown. One day, he sacked the town, stealing and destroying everything. I made it out somehow, but my family, friends...
That's awful. But wait, you say your hometown, but you couldn't mean that you're an Utrom, could you?
Yes, I am an Utrom.
What a surprise! You actually know of us, the Utroms?
Yes. Once an Utrom known as Mortu came to our rescue.
Mortu? Yes, I remember him. We know each other well. Shredder will be after him for certain. Is he safe?
Right now, he's back on his home planet. He's an iron ally we can always count on.
Fine, then.
I'd like to hear more, but must get going. I'm grateful to you all. We've all lost things dear to us by Shredder's hand. I'm sure someday I'll be able to pay you back.
Wait! There's so much more I want to ask! We'll meet again, right? And what about that contract out on us?
I will be back. And remember one thing. I never take a job where all the facts aren't fully disclosed.